In today's video, I'll show you how to send automatic emails in Jira, perfect for keeping your team informed without manual effort. First, navigate to your Jira dashboard and go to the Your Work section. Select the project you want to set up email automation for, then open Project Settings. Next, find the Automation section and click Create Rule. Choose your trigger, like Issue Commented, and select New Comment is Added. This determines when the email will be sent. Now move to Actions and select Send Email. Configure the recipient's subject line and email content. You can even use Jira variables to include issue details automatically. Finally, review your settings, give your rule a descriptive name, and click Turn on Rule. Your automated email system is now live. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic emails in Jira, saving time and keeping your team in the loop. In today's video, I'll show you how to send automatic emails